What's up, my YouTube family? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and we're about to have some fun today. So it's Friday. I'm ready to go racing. Tomorrow's a race day. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, head over to Growing Up Garage, check out that channel, and smash that subscribe button. You can see all kinds of cool kids having fun racing, learning about cars and tools. So today, guys, I have two Ford Econoline vans. We know that you guys love the Econoline vans and you love lifting them. So we're gonna talk about the lift kits on these today. We are going to be comparing. In the blue corner, we have coming in at 5 inches, the Baja grocery getter. And coming over in the red corner, we have the Ocotillo cruiser kit coming in at 3 inches. Now, the deal in this is these are both running 285/70/17 tires, along with a set of Method 703 wheels, and they are both 17 by 8.5. I guess Bruce Buffer's gonna be able to keep his job because I got nothing on that guy, you know. Let's jump into these things, guys. So I'm not gonna be able to give you a good measurement on this 5-inch kit, and the reason being is this does have the fiberglass fender on there. I'm still gonna give you the height of what the fender is with it, but we will take a secondary measurement on here, maybe like the bottom right here where the mirror's at, so that way we can kind of compare the two, and we'll throw up a bunch of notes in this thing and make it really awesome. So as we come over to this thing, I'm gonna say that I am 41 3/4 of an inch from the ground to the bottom of this fender well. And over here, when I come to the bottom of this mirror, I'm gonna call that 57 inches to this. And like I said, what's great about this is these two kits both have the same size tires. So coming in at 57 inches over there, and I'm gonna come in over there, and man, let's see here. I'm like 55 3/4. I mean, really, when it comes down to it, I mean, that's only 1.25 inch difference on these two kits, just how they're sitting right here. Now, keep in mind, another thing that's going to play a role in this is tires. Tire size is also going to matter, but not necessarily tire sizes. Tire manufacturer sizes are also going to vary. And on this particular tire, on the 5-inch kit, we are running a Pro Comp tire, which is that 285/70/17, and it is a load rated E tire. Make sure when you guys are searching out tires for your vans, they are a load rated E. On this particular van, we do have the BFG KO2s in a 285/70/17 on there as well. So now let's jump to the back of this, and if you are asking, hey, how are you fitting that 33-inch tire in there, you're gonna have to go click the link below, and we'll have the whole van video build on this particular van, or maybe at the end of this video we'll throw up a card. So as we come to the back of this, we are going to say that we're 37 3/4 to the back to the bottom here of this fender well. So now let's go measure the 5-inch kit and see if we're 2 inches bigger. So when I come over to this, I am exactly 39 3/4. So I am pretty much exactly 2 inches difference in these two kits. And if you want, we could even, just for fun, we'll even take one more measurement on the back of these things so that you guys get an idea. And we're coming in at just about 59 inches to the back part of this window. So let's do one more measurement on that, because really I want you guys to know, okay, if I'm gonna run this size tire, here's what I'm going to be looking at. Now the variable, like we talked about, is tires. So if you did go to like a 265/70/17 tire, you might be about 1 inch lower, so you could kind of take into consideration those measurements and go, hey, all right, I'm gonna be 1 inch lower on that. Let's go one more measurement. So now when I come back to this one, I'm about 57 3/8 of an inch. So, I'm about 1 5/8 inches different. So depending on where you measure your van from, it's gonna be slightly different. I know a lot of you guys like to consider, like, all right, well, the bumper height. So I'll definitely have Austin come over here. You can see that 5 inches is a little bit higher, but at the same time, I'm really giving you guys a bad look at this, because this does have our new Baja pre-runner bumper on there, and which looks awesome. So we're not getting a ton of difference right there. I mean, 2 inches, guys, I mean, it's pretty noticeable. I will tell you the one big thing is, if You can tell both of these vans have the newer front end, which is 2008 and newer. If you are going to be upgrading your wheels, definitely go to a 17-inch wheel, so that way all of your wheel weights aren't rubbing your brake calipers, because that's never a good thing. It will knock your wheel out of balance. So there's my little 2 cents on there. I'm sure that there is something that I missed in this video. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet, giving you guys some measurements, comparing a 5-inch kit versus a 3-inch kit. Both running 285 tires, both running the same wheels on there, which is just awesome. And these are both short vans, so it's a pretty equal comparison. The big variable in this is just going to be the difference in tires. So that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more on this 4-inch build, I'll throw up a card right there. You can check out this build because we did some really cool stuff to it. Otherwise, that's all I got. Big thumbs up. See you guys in the next video.